So here we have the TGO candles. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So all you got to do is go to your navigation, go down to TGO
We
candles.
have a possible
First,
change
you
to
want to put
bullish
your indicator
momentum.
first, TGO candles.
Look for a move to the
Click
upside
it.
on Euro Loonie 1 minute chart.
See this? I'm going to put it on the chart real quick just so you can see how it works. You just click and drag it, and you go to your always put
We have
allow
a possible
DDL
change
inputs
to
to go to
bullish
your
momentum.
inputs. Make sure everything is
Pound
on.
Look
yen
for a
5
move to
minute
the
You may want to
upside
put
on
true.
Aussie dollar
You don't
1
have to
minute
put true to
chart.
everything. All you need is pop-up alerts. And that's it. Okay, so that's your settings. This is your color for the indicator. And this is the size of the arrows. You know, that's all you need. You could leave it at default. Boom. And that's how it's going to look on your chart, okay? And once you put that on, you want to go down, pardon me, to TGO candles. And these are the settings, of course. Always want to put allow DDL. And in order to get the robot to work, you want to allow live trading. Always click this. If not, the robot will not smile. If you look in the right hand corner, see it's smiling right here. It will not do that if you do not have that open, okay? So you're going to click OK. Go to the inputs. Okay, so the first setting is going to tell you the time. It's going to let you know what time do you want the robot to take trades. We have it set to 24 hours because we turn it off when we don't want it to trade. But you may want to just trade London, New York. So you would put that time into the start time. And then when you want it to stop trading, you put that into the close time. And once you do that, you go down. Don't worry about the magic numbers, any of that. This is one you might want to see. Trade direction both. If you only want to take buy or sell, you can do that. But we leave it at both. If you want to do buy risk, you put... So let's say for you funded account takers, you may want to take a funded account challenge, and you have $100,000, and you can only risk 5% before you lose. You can put buy risk, right? And then you want to put 1%. Let's say you want to take 10 trades. You can take this and turn it to 0.5, and now that's 0.5%. So now you can take 10 trades. Then you want to put your fixed lot. You may want to use one lot. It depends what you're risking per lot. It's going to calculate all that, of course, for you, depending on the amount of money in the account. Then you want to tell it to take profit. It's set at default 50 pips. Your stop loss is 25 pips, okay? Now, you may want to tell it to break even because you're away from the computer. You can do that. You can say, hey, let's break even at 10 pips. Once it hits 10 pips, break even. You may want to trail your position. So you want to tell it to start trailing every 10 pips after that. So every time you get 10 pips, it'll move your stop loss into that position. Then you want it to trail stop. You may want it to stop after 20 pips. You put that in there. If you wanted to keep trailing, you put how many pips you wanted to keep trailing. Every 5 pips, every 10 pips, every 20 pips. And this is why this is a favorite, because it's set up pretty much for people who like to take the funded accounts. So if you like to take funded account challenges, this is good for beginning traders, people that are new to trading. You may be new to trading systems. This is the perfect robot for you. So this is the TGO candles, white, because we have that one because this has all the settings. A lot of people ask about set files, and this is why you don't need them. You can trade indices, currencies, you can trade stocks, crypto, whatever you want. It's going to give you the same strategy, same signals, and it's going to use the same parameters. So you don't really need a set file for something that's giving you the features right here. You just have to know how to use them. So this video is here to show you what the settings are and how you would set it up depending on what you want to do. So just keep in mind, buy risk is for the funded accounts. Fixed lot means that you just want to trade this amount of pips for this amount of lots, period. It doesn't matter how much money is in the account. So if you just want to trade without all of those settings, just put fixed lot and then put the amount of pips and the amount of lots, and you'll be good.
We have a possible change to bearish momentum.
What's going on here, okay?
Look for a move to the downside on S and P500 1 minute
chart. Go to indicators. Let's remove it. As you can see, it's right here. Delete that. Boom. And close this. And that is what's going on. So as you see, this trade got us in 71 pips in 2 positions on NZD CAT, and this is right after Christmas, so this is definitely a good move. And if you look to the right, this is another special indicator. But as you can see, the robot got us into all these trades right here for 87 pips at the moment. And this is why people pretty much like this indicator the most, the system the most. It's very user-friendly for beginning traders. If you just started trading and you just found out about trading systems, this is a very good beginner-friendly system to use. And if you want it, it's available at the website, of course. You already know why you came here, TradeGameOfficial.com, and that's it. So as you see, we're catching more pips, and the pip count is going up, so we're about to hit 100 pips, and it's all good. I'm out of here.